In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a folder inside GitHub without forking. This process is simple and straightforward if you follow these steps closely. Let's dive in. First, you want to open your web browser and head over to GitHub. If you aren't logged in already, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll want to navigate to the repository that contains the folder you wish to rename. Take a moment to locate the repository from your list or search for it directly if you have many projects. Once inside your desired repository, look through the directory structure until you find the folder that needs renaming. You should now have a view of your folder list. At this point, you might be wondering how exactly we're going to rename this folder directly on GitHub. Here's where a handy shortcut comes into play. Press the period key on your keyboard. Yes, just the period. This action will transport you to the web-based editor view of that repository. This environment is typically akin to a Visual Studio Code setup, but hosted directly within your browser. It's a neat feature that GitHub offers for quick edits and changes. Now direct your attention to the Explorer section on the left-hand side of the editor screen. This panel shows your project's file and folder structure. Find your target folder in this list. Hover over the folder to ensure it's the one you wish to rename, and then give it a right click. In the context menu that appears after you right click, you will see several options. One of these options is Rename. Click on it and it will allow you to edit the folder's name directly. Make your changes by typing in the new name you've chosen for your folder. Once you've input the new name, press Enter to apply the change. It's important to double check that the name change reflects immediately in the Explorer. The final step requires you to commit the change to your repository to ensure the updates are saved and reflected in your GitHub repository. You might need to push the changes if you're working from a local copy with Git. That's all it takes. Congratulations, you've successfully renamed your folder on GitHub without the need to fork the entire repository. This method saves time and keeps your workflow efficient. Remember, the power of GitHub isn't just in the code. It's in these productivity tools that help you work smarter. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps streamline your future projects.